Standard precautions are safety practices you observe with everyone who uses your facility because not all the sick people are in hospitals or stay home with the sniffles. For your protection, treat every situation as though it was potentially infectious to you or your family. Standard precautions are based on the premise that even small amounts of blood and certain body fluids can potentially spread infections. Should blood or body fluids be present, use proper personal protective equipment. Remember, because disinfectants are classified as pesticides by the EPA, these products should always be used in strict accordance with product labels. The issues at hand are life-altering. Danger. Be concerned and informed about the respiratory, oral, and dermal, which means absorbed through the skin, toxicity of all chemicals that you use in your facility or home. Check the SDS, that's the safety data sheets, which give acute toxicity and technical information about a product, available from the manufacturer. Choose less toxic alternatives and use all recommended personal protective gear, such as gloves and/or goggles. Chemicals used as disinfectants can be corrosive and irritating to human health. Use only the correct amount of disinfectant necessary to do the job.